For today's video, what we are doing today is we are overhauling the manual transmission. So the first thing we did was we removed the extension housing and we used a hammer and wood because the wood is to prevent the extension housing from being damaged when we hit it with the hammer. Then after that we also removed the transmission case. Disassembling a transmission is a complex process that requires careful attention to detail and proper tools. It's essential to understand the intricacies of the transmission and its components before attempting this task. This guide will outline the steps involved in disassembling a transmission, drawing upon information from various sources. Transmission disassembly, a step-by-step guide. 1. Preparation and organization. Before starting the disassembly process, ensure you have a clean and well-lit workspace. Gather all necessary tools, including a hydraulic jack stands, screwdrivers, wrenches, a breaker bar, a pry bar, and a container for storing removed parts. Organize the parts as you remove them, noting their orientation and position. Taking photos at each step can be incredibly helpful for reassembly_link_icon. 2. Removing external components. Disconnect cables and wires. Begin by disconnecting the negative battery cable and attaching any electrical connectors, cables, hoses, and brackets connected to the transmission_link_icon. Remove the bell housing. Locate the bell housing, which connects the transmission to the engine. Remove the bolts securing it to the engine, noting the orientation of any spring washers or thrust washers_link_icon. Drain transmission fluid. Before proceeding further, drain the transmission fluid by removing the transmission